So I was packing up my basement today, and I'm moving. We all know that, right? And I'm downsizing a little bit, and so I'm getting rid of just all this stuff. And I emailed my mover yesterday, and I was like, hey, could you guys pack up my basement for me? And that's actually a service that movers provide. So I want to talk a little bit about services movers provide, because I had no idea, and I literally work in this industry. Services movers provide and how much it actually costs to move. I'm blessed and lucky that I have unlimited boxes from all the people that I'm helping move. So that's awesome. I'm not really sure actually the cost of boxes, but I know that the movers will provide those also, I'm sure at a cost. So my move, and I'm only going to give rough numbers just because I don't want to mislead anybody. So I have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house with the finished basement. It's approximately it's close to 3,000 square feet, so 2,700 square feet. My move is costing me right around $2,400. And that might change a little bit as we get closer, because I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff. So that's that. It's funny, my kids are 18 and 20, and now going through all this stuff while I'm going through it, I'm having those mom moments where I'm taking all of their baby stuff and their cap and gown and graduation stuff and putting them into separate totes, nice totes for them, because I'm closer to them moving out on their own for their own lives than I am, needing to look at that stuff anymore. So it was a little bit of a teary-eyed morning for me, but that's okay. I did want to say also that a trend that I have only noticed this year amongst my sellers is that my sellers, a lot of them are selling their houses, and they're not necessarily buying anything next. They're literally just taking off. I have 2 sellers that are taking off in RVs and just traveling, and I have another one who's going to Airbnb it. And so I think that's a really cool option. It's a really interesting thing. I think it's a byproduct of COVID and the ability to work remotely, and kind of we all kind of learned to live our lives remotely, and I thought that was really neat. And so just an observation as an aside. I actually have closing in about 10 minutes that I'm going to go get ready for, but you guys have a great day. If you've got questions about the value of your home, if you need a recommendation for movers or anything like that, please send me a message below. If you need moving boxes, I'll have some in 2 weeks. Have a great day.